Okay, from Amazon. 6-head solar outdoor lights, 2 sensors, 2-pack. This is what it looks like on the box. Just open the box. This is how big it is. Let me turn the camera around. It's a lot smaller than I thought. The pictures online don't do it justice. But it is honestly smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be something bigger. So that's it. Alright, so I'm going to measure this. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. So it comes to roughly 15.5 inches. It's a little bit off from over here, but about 15.5 inches. Not counting the solar panel, it's about 5.5. And then with the solar panel, at 5.5 plus 4. So just say 10 inches from the top of the solar panel to the bottom of the light. And from here to here is about 15.5 inches. Again, when you look in this box, it is definitely smaller than you would think. For comparison, I also ordered this from Amazon just to try it out. Probably gonna burn my mouth, but everybody knows what the size of a Kraft mac and cheese box is. What do you think? So you get 2 of those lights. There's the manual, which you really don't need. The mounting parts, the remotes. The second remote, which was not in the plastic. It's right here. Some foam, keep it nice and comfy. Warning guide. And the mounts for the fence of the wall or wherever you want to put it. Like I said, this is like what it looks like in the box. You tell me, doesn't that look kind of small as compared to the pictures that they have? What do you think?